In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple domains in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the admin console, how to choose the right domain type, and how to kick off verification the right way. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in as an administrator and that you own the domain you plan to add. You'll also want access to your domain's DNS settings with your registrar, since verification typically happens there. Start by opening the Google Admin Console. From the home page, head to the Account section. This is where your organization-wide settings live. Next, go into Domains and then choose Manage Domains. This brings up a list of domains already connected to your workspace, along with controls for adding new ones. Select Add a Domain. When prompted, type the exact domain name you want to add. Enter it without subdomains, extra spaces, or typos. It should be the root domain you own. Take a moment to double-check spelling here. Fixing a mistaken entry later means starting again. You'll now be asked to select a domain type. This choice is important. Pick secondary domain if you're adding a fully separate domain for your organization, maybe for a different brand, business unit, or region, where users can have distinct primary email addresses on that domain. Choose user alias domain if you simply want existing users to receive mail at an alternate domain without creating new accounts. For example, if you already have user@primary.com, an alias lets that same user also receive mail at user@newdomain.com, all in one inbox. If you aren't sure, think about whether you need separate user identities on the new domain. If yes, secondary domain is the right fit. If not, go with a user alias domain. Once you've made your selection, click Add Domain and start verification. Google will provide verification instructions tailored to your DNS host, usually by asking you to add a TXT record. Keep the Admin Console tab open while you add the record with your registrar. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so don't worry if verification doesn't succeed immediately. Try again after a short wait. If your domain is very new, propagation may take longer than usual. That's it for the setup in the Admin Console. From here, just follow the on-screen verification steps. After verification completes, your new domain will appear in Manage Domains, ready for use based on the type you chose. Thanks for watching, and take your time with the verification step. It's the key to a smooth, secure setup.